Place the cauliflower and red onion in a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread out the cauliflower mixture onto the baking sheet. Roast at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. In a blender, combine tahini, water, lemon juice, garlic, toasted ground cumin, toasted cayenne, and salt. Blend until smooth. Refrigerate until ready to use. In a large skillet, combine chickpeas, olive oil, smoked paprika, Aleppo pepper, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook, stirring often for 5 minutes or until the chickpeas sizzle and become slightly crispy. Using tongs, flip the cauliflower florets and red onion slices over to cook evenly. Add the chickpeas and chopped fresh parsley to the roasted cauliflower and red onions. Drizzle the homemade lemon tahini dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Garnish with crumbled feta cheese and serve.